Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I know there's a lot of options when it comes to USB-C blocks, but I love this one from Scosche. This is a heavy-duty USB block that really makes your phone charge so quickly. The block itself, as you can see, it's nice and sturdy looking. I love it so much that I actually put my name on it so that no one else snags it. This plug works so well, whether you plug it into the wall directly or if you use a strip. Either way, once you connect your cord, your phone is going to charge up super fast. I have no problem getting my cord into the USB-C port, and the plug closes so that you can take it with you and you always will have this plug ready. I love things that work well. It's so nice to not be disappointed by a product. You can feel that this is heavy duty and it's 30 watts, so it really pumps the juice right back into my phone every time I plug it in. If you're looking for a well-designed product that really works, then you need to definitely check this out. And that's my point of view.